What is up guys, welcome to a brand new video of Absolute Digital. In this video, I will show you how you can add a bio to your Twitter account. So let's start this video by launching the Twitter app. When the app is launched, tap on three bars on top left corner. And then go to your profile by tapping on Profile. Now on your profile, tap on Edit Profile. And here you will see the bio section. Now tap on the blank space to write your bio. Now I'll just quickly write my bio. But remember, your bio must contain what you are and what you do so that people can know about you. When you are done, tap Save on top right corner. And your bio will be added to your profile. And that is how you can add a bio on your Twitter account. So if you find this video helpful, then do drop a like and make sure to subscribe for more tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.